So it's early September. I'm going to give you a quick tour of Debbie's plot. It's looking pretty lush at the moment, and yeah, it's really beautiful. So Debbie's plot is a few steps down this green drive. So it's always really overgrown at this time of year, because it's primarily a kind of summer plot. But we're doing more and more to get it suitable for overwintered growing. She's got this really nice little hedge down here, strawberries along this bottom of the pallet fence, and these are the Jerusalem artichokes, which are an amazing plant. Just absolutely crazy. We need to get those tied in soon though, before the worst of the winds arrive. And then we've got sweet corn, 2 beds of sweet corn, sort of planted in succession but the same varieties, and they're ready now. These canes mark the locations of the squash plants, so we know where to water. And rhubarb, herb beds, and then these are the Yacon, an incredible root crop, huge tubers, keep really well and super healthy. And then down here we've got the spring varieties of purple sprouting broccoli. I think that variety is Claret. And we've got Red Admiral and Red Fire and Claret on my plot, so we get a long harvest period of purple sprouting broccoli. So we'll go on to the plot and just get a little bit more detail. So we've got a lot of fruit trees on here. We've got a lot of apples, different varieties of apples, lots of different kind of raspberries and blackberries and gooseberries, all of that sort of thing. Cherries here. More apples here, some late strawberries down there, and then a little bit slug and snail eaten. We've got Romanesco cauliflowers. They're just starting, they're probably not going to be very big. And these are the herb beds. Herb beds always look, you know, a bit ragged at this time of year, but not too bad. More herbs here, and then these are the Crown Prince squash in here. These are all really starting to die back now, much earlier than expected, because just the really hot weather, and I think they were kind of out-competed really by the sweet corn, and the sweet corn has done amazingly well. Really great crop off there. Rhubarb's just starting to get established. So this is its first year in this bed, and we've taken quite a bit off it, but not a huge amount, as I say, just trying to get it established. But as I say, the Yacon is just the star of the show, and you know the Yacon's ready basically when the plants die back after the first frost. You know, they're lush like this, growing like crazy, and then the first touch of frost and they're just gone, like all black and brown within a few hours almost. Most sensitive plant that we've got to a frost. And these are the only autumn fruiting raspberries that we have. We've got loads of summer fruiting ones in the back garden, but yeah, these are just really enough for snacking. Oh, amazing. And then another little asparagus bed. This one isn't ready for harvest yet. Salad onions down here, salad onions over here. We've done a better job of salad onions this year. You know, we normally don't really have a very good salad onion crop in the kind of period late August through to October, but this year we've got absolutely loads, and that's generally down to just trying some different varieties, mainly Summerland, which has done well for us. And then I think we've got about 20 or 30 red cabbages scattered around, not just on Debbie's plot. And a few little bits of kale here. and a great crop of pears. This is Concord, which is my favourite of the kind of conference type of pear. Just a little bit crisper and a little bit sweeter than conference. And then this is a Williams pear. What a crop on here. It probably could have done with thinning, to be honest, but lots of small Williams pears on there. Blackberries, obviously. Some amazing globe artichokes. We don't actually like them to eat, but they just look amazing, don't they? A lot of calabrese and cauliflowers, things like that from all these beds around here. And some more rhubarb at the back there. More of the hazel hedge down the back there. And some more red cabbages down there. So I think that is pretty much it for Debbie's plot. So I hope you liked this quick video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.